Do you worry about what others think of your smile because of the color of your teeth? Have you ever felt self-conscious about speaking or smiling openly because of the shade of your teeth? Do you feel like people assume you have poor oral hygiene just because your teeth are yellow? Today's video is made for you because in this video, I will tell you 2 incredible home remedies that will transform your smile. And here is a little secret. The second remedy is my absolute favorite because I also apply it once a week in my daily routine. Because I know everybody wants white teeth, right? When your teeth are white, you feel awesome and confident. Plus, it's a big part of looking good and feeling fresh. Whether you're taking selfies or just hanging out with friends, white teeth make you feel like a superstar. And let's be real, who doesn't want to feel amazing every time they smile, right? Before proceeding to home remedies, I request you to subscribe to this channel and like this video because this channel has the solution to all your problems. So let's move quickly to the remedy. Remedy number 1. Our first secret ingredient to make the remedy is garlic. But why garlic? Let me tell you why. Garlic's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help fight against oral bacteria and reduce gum inflammation, promoting better gum health. The second amazing ingredient is lemon. But you know why we use lemon in this remedy? Because lemon's vitamin C can promote gum health by reducing gum inflammation. Its natural acidity can also help fight against oral bacteria, potentially reducing the risk of cavities and gum disease. The third powerful ingredient is salt. And the reason we add salt in it, that salt can make teeth stronger by adding important mineral to the enamel, which shields from decay. Also, rinsing from salt water can clean the mouth by getting rid of harmful substances, making teeth healthier. And the last ingredient we need that we use in our daily life is toothpaste. And I won't tell you why we choose toothpaste because we all know that, right? Now let's make our magical remedy. Add 1 teaspoon crushed garlic, half teaspoon lemon juice, half teaspoon of salt and almost half teaspoon of toothpaste in a bowl and mix it all together until you have a smooth paste. Apply the paste to your teeth using a toothbrush or your finger. Let it sit on your teeth for about 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Brush your teeth with your regular toothpaste to remove any residue. This mixture can help remove surface stains from your teeth. It can help improve oral hygiene by removing tart, by removing yellowness from your teeth, reducing the risk of cavities and gum disease. Are you ready for this second amazing home remedy? Let's get started. Remedy number 2. One of the things we will need to prepare our remedy is lemon. But why lemon? I tell you why. Lemon have stuff in them that can help make teeth whiter. They contain something called citric acid, which can bleach teeth naturally. Also, lemon have things that can fight germs in your mouth, which might help keep your teeth cleaner and whiter. The second and last ingredient that will be included in our remedy will be baking soda. But why baking soda? I tell you why. Baking soda is like a gentle scrub for your teeth. It helps to remove stains on your surface and keep your mouth less germ friendly and make your teeth brighter. Now let's reveal the secret of making this remedy. You have to take half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice in a bowl. Then mix them until a thick paste is formed. Then apply this paste with the help of a brush with your finger. Brush this paste on your teeth for a minute and then rinse your teeth with water and brush your teeth with normal toothpaste. Pay attention. There's a proper way to use anything, right? If we exceed the limit, we can also get damage from the thing. So the thing we have to take care of is that the recipe is to be used only once or twice a week. It is not that we could use this recipe daily in the temptation to whiten our teeth faster, because it can cause harm and excessive use can damage the enamel of your teeth. We have talked about teeth care, but facial care is also a part of our beauty. If you are worried about smile lines and wrinkles on your face and want to make your face look younger, then watch this video of mine. All your questions are answered in this video. And if you are worried and don't understand which product should be in your skincare routine, which product should be applied at what time and how, then don't worry, you'll get all the answers to these questions in this video of mine. So do watch this video. I hope you have gained a little knowledge from this video. If yes, then please, I request you all to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will wait for you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.